Hello everyone, I am Bani. Welcome back to my channel. Here is part 2 of my Netherlands trip. Just to be clear, this video was shot in 2019. It was a 16-day trip. In my previous video, I covered Rotterdam, Leiden, Den Haag. Do check that out if you haven't. In this video, we will cover Amsterdam, Nouweken and Kinderijk. If you find this video interesting and informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos on my channel. Amsterdam needs no introduction. On day 6, we drove to Amsterdam, which is approximately 1 hour drive from Den Haag. The drive was so comfortable and enjoyable. The most famous Dutch museum, the Rijksmuseum, located on the Museum Square, which is one of the museums to visit in Amsterdam. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes as the museum has a lot to offer. It houses 1 million objects, approximately 8,000 are on display and 20,000 are paintings. The museum's collection illustrates the history of the Netherlands from the Middle Age to the present. Don't miss out on absolute highlights like the Gallery of Honor, gorgeous collection of Delft blue pottery, Cyprus Library, one leg armor, and so on. The entry ticket is 20 euros, which is expensive but definitely worth a visit. It can take almost half of your day. After exploring and gaining some knowledge, I had the yummiest waffles. I still had a lot of time, so thought of going for hop-on hop-off boat tour, which is for 25 euros and is valid for 24 hours. It was definitely an amazing experience, but I would suggest to just walk and explore the beautiful and the prettiest streets of Amsterdam. The streets are full of cute little cafes and restaurants which are definitely worth a visit. Next day, I planned to go to Amsterdam again but via train because I wanted to experience the train ride. The train takes approximately 1 hour and the ticket price is 16 to 20 euros one way. The ride was extremely comfortable and the views were just breathtaking. My first destination was Adams Lookout. So you can take a free ferry ride which is behind the central station and is just for 2 minutes. It is an observation 360 deck with an unrivaled panoramic view of Amsterdam. Lookout is located on top of Adams Tower in Amsterdam North. Europe's highest swing over the edge is on this sky deck. Daredevils and thrill seekers will swing 100 meters above the ground, back and forth over the edge of the tower with Amsterdam below their feet. You can see Amsterdam free as a bird. It will cost 5 euros per swing. The ticket is 18 euros for adult and 8 euros for child. You can enjoy a lavish lunch or cocktail at the Sky Bar, create digital memories to take back home. Even the elevator ride is something spectacular. The light and sound effects seen through ceiling and the flight to 100 meter in 22 seconds is all part of the Lookout experience. After having an amazing experience, I headed back to Central Station. Then I went to Red Light District in Amsterdam. I don't have much pictures of this place because photography is prohibited. How can you not have mannequin test fries if you are in Amsterdam? They are the best and voted number 1 Holland fries. I had to stand in queue for 20 minutes, but it was definitely worth it. It was definitely fun walking through the streets of Amsterdam. On day 8, we drove to Delft, which is a canal-rich city. Delft is a lovely old town known as the manufacturing base for Delft ware, hand-painted blue and white pottery. The canals of Delft played an important role in forming the city's history. Take a cruise and experience what canal was truly like. Guided canal cruise cost 9 euros per adult and 4 euros for child. The cruise is 45 minutes to 1 hour, which is quite knowledgeable and tells you a lot about Delft culture. On day 9, we drove to Norwegian Beach, which is 45 to 1 hour from Den Haag. It is more than 12 kilometers long sandy beach. The best part is that it is well kept, clean beach and offers you peace and quietness. Furthermore, there are many cafes and terraces, restaurants near the beach where you can enjoy great food and drinks. There was also an ice cream parlor near the beach where I had ice cream. Next day we visited Kinderijk, which is a cute little village in Netherlands and is known for its iconic windmills. It is approximately 1 hour drive. There are 19 windmills which were built for water management network. This place has 2 museums which gives insight of how people used to live. Visiting Kinderijk and getting to experience Dutch windmills and wearing traditional wooden shoes was probably the most fun day I've had in Netherlands so far. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I will soon upload third part of this video. So in my next video, I will cover Bruges, Giethoorn, Zaanse and much more. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos on my channel. Thank you.